Hey everybody, Eve here. Today I have a pretty exciting announcement to make. I am going to be featured on another YouTuber's channel, and I'm pretty excited about that. His name is Lewis, and his channel is called Rolling EarthShip. So, out of appreciation for what Lewis has done, I'm asking all of you, my subscribers, to head on over to the link that's going to be beneath this video to Lewis's channel and return the favor and subscribe to his channel. And let me tell you, he is absolutely hilarious. His channel is not only informative as far as, living tiny, as far as van life goes. I mean, he lives in a van that's even smaller than my horse trailer, if you can believe that. And so, yeah, just head on over there, follow the links in the video, beneath the video, go over there and subscribe to his channel, and hopefully I'll get some of his subscribers today. So this is how YouTube should work. It kind of irritates me sometimes because I watch so many YouTube channels and I follow some of them religiously, and I subscribe and I thumbs up and I comment, and it's like, what? They never reciprocate. They never I can almost talk. They never return the favor, and I'm like, how can YouTube be a community when people don't reciprocate in kind? I mean, if you don't like my content or the content that's on my channel, awesome, you don't have to subscribe. But if you're benefiting from the channel in any way, shape, or form, please subscribe. We're a community. Let's do this. Let's be good neighbors, and let's all contribute, and let's all flourish, and let's all continue to educate, inform, and you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. So before I become too redundant, which is what I have a tendency to do, go on over to Lewis's channel, Rolling EarthShip, thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to his channel. And if you haven't already done that, please thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now, before I disappear in front of your eyes, may Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. Yeah. Head on over to Lewis's channel and subscribe there. Return the guy the favor.